Hey everyone, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, keeping your channel tidy make a big difference. If you uploaded a video and want to remove it completely, here how. Just open YouTube Studio either on your phone or your laptop. For me, I'm gonna open in my phone. Now, go to the content tab and now find the video that you want to delete. For me, I'm gonna delete the day 10 video. Now just tap on three dot option. Now click on here and choose delete forever, and now click on delete, and here your video is deleted permanently. That's it. The video is gone from your YouTube channel and all from YouTube. Pro tip: make sure you have backed up the video somewhere else if you might want it in a future. Cleaning up your channel regularly keeps your audience experience smooth. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe. I will got more tips to grow and manage your channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.